Hi, welcome back to Hugh Pink's Central Tendencies video on lessons for it. What is the mean? Mean is average for the data numbers. Add all of them together and then divide by number of numbers. Number of numbers may sound confusing, but I got you. Okay, so the data is 14 plus 9 plus 17 plus 4 equals 44. And then you get 44 divided by 4 equals 11. You'll be asking me where I got that 4 from. It is the number of numbers. So there's total numbers amount is 4. So that's where I got this 4 from. What is mode? Mode is the score that occurs the most often. Look at the data and see what number occurs the most often. For example, 16, 17, 19, 19, 23, 29. The number that occurs the most often is 19. Since I said it twice, that means that is the mode. What is median? Median is a number in order from least to greatest. If it's an even amount, find the average for the two. It doesn't mean like if it's 2, 4, 6. It means if there's an even amount of numbers. So, I like to cross it out. 12 and 25, 21 and 15. So it narrows it down to 17 and 19. So you get the average. 17 plus 19 equals 36, and after 36 divided by 2 equals 18. So 18 equals median. What is range? Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest score. Subtract highest from lowest to get range. So you would always take the lowest and the highest. So those two don't really matter. It's just the middle. So 42 subtract 13 equals 29. So now 29 equals range. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Median is not just ordering from least to greatest. So you may mess up on ordering it. So you see 13, 15, and 14 is not ordered. They will mostly likely think it's 15 now. But it's actually 14 because it's 13, 14, 15 about numbers. So now, messing up the definitions for mean, median, mode, and range. So these are some tricks. Mean is the meanest because in my opinion, average is the hardest thing to do. Median is the middle. Mode is the most often, and range is a mountain range. So you see a mountain. That is the top, which is like 42, for example. And then here is like 13. And then you subtract it, and then you end up with the answers. Word problem. Jimmy wants to know the pets and people in your family. So he recorded some data. 6, 5, 3, 6, 7, 3, 15, 6, which all equals to 51. You're not done yet for mean. You gotta divide it by 8, which equals 6.375. So then you gotta add it to median. So you have 3, 3, 5, 6, 6, 7, and 15. All of that equals to median. So you cross it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you got 6. For mode, you got 3, 3, 5, 6, 6, 7, 15. So then you got 3 of a group of 2, 6 of a group of 2, which means it's 3 and 6 for mode. Range is just subtracting the highest subtract to the lowest. So then you got 15 subtract 3, which equals 12. Missing values word problem. Jimmy wanted to know about the class average score for shooting free throws. He recorded the data and got the mean for 83.25. He forgot Eden's score and needs your help. Josh got 73%, David got 89%, and Andy got 80%. What was Eden's score? Pause the video and find the answer. Missing values answer. Set up the problem first. 73 plus 80 plus 89 plus S. S is Eden's score. Equals 83.25. But you forgot one step. You gotta divide them by 4. All that number added divided by 4. 242 plus S equals 85, but you also got it divided by 4. So now, you got this inverse operation. So first, you know that it cancels each other. This one is a divide, this one times. So then, all you need to do is this equation. 83.25 times 4, which equals 333. So then, if you were to do this, you would have 242 plus s equals 333. So now you got to start eliminating. So, you got all 242 plus s, subtract 242, equals 333, subtract 242. So then, you subtract those numbers, and then after you got 91. And you can't forget concluding sentence. So Anna's shooting percentage is 91. Games and resources. So the Kids Math game online is a game where you can calculate mean, median, mode. And then I got a brain pop. You can do the graded or review quiz. And then after, we are finished. Thank you for listening to my channel, and I hope you subscribe and like the video.